My name is John Conto. I live in Dover Plains, New York, and we've lived here for about 20 years. We got the envelope in the mail from Value Pack, and your coupon was in it, so we did some research and whatnot. The issues was, like, especially in the basement, it's a cement foundation, and it was cracking. And we didn't want it to crack too much and have the rain get in and stuff like that and ruin it. We didn't check out other companies. We sat here, did some research, and decided to give you a call and see what was what. The call workmanship was really good. It, in fact, was excellent. It took care of the problem. All they did the work and real good. You know, they did it in, less than a day, actually. You know, and I just left them alone down there, and they just did what they had to do. Well, the deal is that the cracks were around, number one. And number two is that it sealed the cement and the foundation, whatnot, seal it up real good. The advice I would give them would be to give these guys a call and let them decide for themselves what they think and everything, because once we called you, just came out, you explained the whole thing to me and everything like that, and I understood what was going to happen. So the advice I didn't give you is, I can't foresee any problems, because they did a good job.